So if I can work it out great with you guys, I guess other people would find it much easier to work with you guys. So yeah, I think NextGen is a good choice, and I highly recommend you guys to work with them.
Hi Akshay.
Hi Rahul. Hi Anup.
Hi Akshay.
How are you?
We're doing great.
Yeah. Thanks for your time for joining this call. And this is a kind of feedback video from your side. So let's get started. First things first, you introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Akshay and I'm co-founder and COO at Antflow.com. Antflow is one of the uniquest platform in India which only serves women, and we create and develop products which empowers women in a way that they feel better, beautiful and bold about themselves.
Nice. So what was your idea behind starting this startup?
So basically, when I see women 10 years back and now, women has evolved a lot. Their needs and demands, their body needs, mind needs have evolved a lot, and they have went through a lot in the past, right? So I felt there was a need of a company in India which fulfills the gap and create products like such that empowers women. So really wanted to fill that gap and wanted to be the first mover in the country. So hence we started this company.
Okay, great.
It's nice.
So how did you decided to go with NextGen for this project Antflow, because you have previously worked with lots of IT companies also?
So well, this is not the first time I've worked with NextGen innovators. It was so in my previous company where we were an agency, we were creating a software for performance marketing, which we also executed with NextGen. My experience then was okay-ish, and since then I have also evolved a lot in terms of knowledge and execution, and I realized that these guys also have evolved so much by then. After we had this conversation, because while we were considering a lot of IT companies to develop our product, they were one of the choices because we had a prior relationship from the past. So yeah, in 2016 I was connected to them by one of my co-founders who was I really don't know how these guys were connected, but yeah, it was connected. Yeah. It was a reference kind of a connection.
I think Amit was the main reference for there.
Could be. I can't recall, but some few things happens for good, and I'm happy I'm connected to them. And I think I'd been, it doesn't feel like that I didn't knew them in the past. So it's more like a friendly relationship with them, with you guys actually, not with him. Yeah. So it's fun work. I enjoy the entire process. Sometimes here and there are few delays, some shortcomings, but moreover, we come up as a team and solve it across, because of the I guess you guys have a very positive attitude towards problems, and you have a kick to solve it. I really like that. I understand, not every time you guys know everything. And the best part about you guys is you don't pretend that you know everything, right? And you totally focus on the solution and not be always keep saying that this won't happen, that won't happen, that would be out of your budget, like other IT companies I have worked with. So that was the problem. That was actually a thing which I really liked about you guys.
Okay, great. Thanks for the feedback.
We glad you liked it.
Yeah. So we also try to think we can't solve it, because every time you go something for unique, you need to take that challenge and solve that, because client need that to improve their business. So next.
Yep.
Yeah. You were saying something.
As a client, I have been a lot demanding. Then could be more than other people because.
So this is plus point for us also. This is plus point for us also, because we also learn new things, because you demand a lot of unique features, and we also take as challenge, and because it's learning part for us also.
That's how you flourish, guys.
Yeah. So what is the working process? Like you have seen something unique in us, like the working process and overall experience, the onboarding process, and anything you would like to add?
Yeah, very much. The only difference between you and other guys I have worked with is that I kind of know what is going around with you guys on a daily basis. But other people, like, they'll have a, like, sort of a slot thing wherein, like, you will have one discussion after 15 days or maybe 20 days. And if there is some miscommunication, these guys will not get in touch for 20 days. And now if that feature has been developed, you'll have to rework on that for another 20 days if that wasn't communicated in the right way, right? With NextGen, it was a better experience because we are in touch with the developers directly on a daily basis, right? And if there is a need, be that you have to, you realize that you have been working on a project, a feature which you thought was unique earlier, but after a few days you realize it wasn't, right? So you can immediately stop them and make them work on the right things, right? Because it also happens in the kind of journey we entrepreneurs are, right? We feel we try and to be unique and implement something new always, but you don't require it all the time. But you have to keep coming up with 100 other things to find your one perfect strategy. So that's a part of it.
Yeah, so basically for this, because we work with you in past also, and we also work with lots of entrepreneurs, they always try to make new things, and we use agile methodology for this. Like in each sprint, we try to showcase the demo, like are we going right? Because it's not something very standard, because the idea is in your mind and we have roughly documented, and you also not that much technical, like what will be the end result. So the showing the mid part is very best thing that we have also getting feedback from our client. So thanks for the sharing this particular part. And next will be like, how would you recommend for other entrepreneurs like you to choosing us as a technology partner?
See, my experience had been great with you, and I am a tough client to work with. I have also realized, because you're not the only guys I work with. I find very difficult myself to work with other people as well a lot of times, and I actually have to ditch 9 companies to find one, one fine one which is working for me. Not sure about myself, but I have heard with this from other people as well. So if I can work it out great with you guys, I guess other people would find it much easier to work with you guys. So I think NextGen is a good choice, and I highly recommend you guys to work with them.
Okay, great. Thanks for your feedback.
Thanks,
Rahul. Anything you would like to add?
Nothing else. We enjoyed a lot with your project, and also we have learned many things along with the project because of the challenges we faced.
Okay, great.
Great.
Yeah.
I'm glad that my money was put into great use.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thanks, Akshay, for your time. Thanks, Rahul. Bye-bye.
Yeah. All right, Akshay. Goodbye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.